Being an ESC star of this esteemed institute, it is my distinct honor and privilege to warmly welcome our respected Rania ma'am. We are always deeply grateful for the beautiful dedication, passion, and excellence with which you teach us. Um, we feel incredibly fortunate to have your guidance, wisdom, and global perspective shaping our learners. Without wasting a single minute and with great excitement and admiration, I would now like to hand over the mic to you. The next 1 hour is all yours. A very warm welcome to you. Merci beaucoup, madame.
Merci beaucoup, je te remercie beaucoup et bonjour à tous et à toutes. Bienvenue à notre nouveau cours de français. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer à pratiquer l'heure et la journée pour pouvoir parler de notre routine quotidienne et notre emploi du temps. Ensuite, nous allons apprendre quelque chose de nouveau et très utile, les adjectifs démonstratifs, si nous avons du temps. Euh, et nous allons faire des exercices amusants de dialogue pour que vous puissiez utiliser tout cela dans la vie de tous les jours. Alors, commençons et surtout, préparez-vous, hein. Vous êtes prêts? Vous êtes prêtes? Are
Allons-y,
you
madame.
ready? Are you ready? Vous
Madame.
êtes prêtes?
Allons-y.
Prêtes, prêtes.
Allons-y.
Allons-y. Alors, I don't remember who was here for the hour, because we have explained during two previous lessons about how we say the hour in French. So for the new students here, I will say again probably. Dr. Madhvi, is it fine for in
Yes,
order to
madame.
repeat
Oui,
for
madame,
the
oui,
new
madame.
students? I mean, okay, let's start now. Ok, comment on dit l'heure en français? Pour demander l'heure, demander Miss Aska, pour demander l'heure, we say what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Or, quelle heure il est? So we ask this question, quelle heure est-il? And we reply, il est, this personal expression, and after the hour. Il est 1 heure, il est 2 heures, il est 3 heures. Obviously, you need to know the numbers. The numbers and after, yes, etc. Now, so we have some expressions. We use et, which means enter, only for et demi, écart. Il est 3 heures et demie in the informal hour, because we have the formal also. Il est 3 heures et demie, or il est 6 heures écart, for example. We have also another expression, quarter to means moins le quart. Do you know, I guess you know the hour in English, right?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
you all know the hour in English, Pagwani, Mahira. You know the hour in English.
Oui, madame.
Okay, so here what is happening? We have here again, le quart et demi, moins le quart, which means minus 1/4. On sait, il est 3 heures du matin, on peut préciser, the morning, de l'après-midi, du soir. Il est 7 heures du matin pile, which means exactly. You see here, il est 2h10. Directly, we don't use and or something else. It's only for a demi, for half, and for the quarter, a quart. So il est 2h10, il est 2h20, for example. Il est 2h25. Il est 6h35. Ladies, check here what is happening. When we have to, here we have this count of hours. For example, here, wait. Mm, wait. Mm, Here, you see, we have this one cinq. To do the extraction, and we put forward 1 hour, 1 hour plus. You see, uh, 2 heures moins 5, 2 heures moins 10, 2 heures moins le quart, 2 heures moins 20, minus 20, 2 heures moins 25. So for these hours here, we have to put forward 1 hour before and after say minus. Okay, we'll do the exercises here so that you can understand. You see here, il est 8h40, you see here, but we will say it in the formal hour, il est 9h, we add 1 hour forward, minus 20. Is it clear? We add 1 hour minus 9h minus 20.
Oui, madame.
Yes, let's start with exercises because through exercises we will learn. Here again, we say il est, for example, 2 heures, il est 3h15, 3h, 4h30, 5h moins le quart, 5h, we add 1 hour. For all the other minutes, we simply add the number. Now, this was the informal hour. For the formal hour, you just need to know the numbers. You say, let 13h, if it's evening, 15h30, 18h30. So we're going the exercises for both. Let's start. Pagani.
Il est 13 heures.
Il est 3h, il est 3h.
Il est 3 heures.
Il est 3h. Yes, we can say de l'après-midi, if you want. Il est 3h de l'après-midi. Let us see here. Okay, can you see here the table is a new one. In French, you see here what is happening, what are the sleeping hours. We say il est, for example, 1 heure, 1 heure de la nuit, or 2 heures de la nuit, from 6 hours here until midi. We say il est 6 heures ou 7 heures du matin. After starts midi, il est midi et demi, ou midi et quart, etc. From 12 heures, from 2 heures, we have après-midi. So, il est 3 heures par année, il est 3 heures de l'après-midi, the afternoon. Or le soir, which starts here, 6. Il est 6 heures du soir, means in the evening, or 7 heures du soir. And after we have minuit, and usually some tips here to remember. We say bonsoir. Have you heard bonsoir? Have you heard this explanation? It's good evening, which is used from late afternoon. For example, if we meet someone from 5 to 6 p.m. until bedtime, we say bonsoir. We won't say bonjour. Bonjour is for the morning usually. So from 5, 6 a.m. we will say bonsoir. A bonne nuit we say when it's too late, when someone's going to sleep, or usually after 10 or 11 o'clock. Bonne nuit. When it's too late, for the afternoon, bonsoir. And here some expressions. Okay, no, I will say it later, not yet. Okay, let's start with the exercise. So, Pavani, il est 3 heures de l'après-midi. If you want to say l'après-midi, it's not mandatory. Okay. Next, Mahira. I don't know if Mahira is here. Okay. Ritu.
Quinto e quarto.
Oui, il est 4 heures et quart. This is what you said. Il est 4h15. Hmm?
Les 4h15.
4. Mhm. Exactement, il est 4h15. Angeli,
From starting 3 o'clock.
no, 6:30.
6:30 का होगा. Il a six.
Il est 6.
Il est
After we say the hour, il est 6h.
6h30.
Il est 6h. And after we say here, we have informal hour. Wait a minute. Here, et demi. You see here, écart or et demi. So here you will say, il est 6h30. For the informal hour. Okay, Angeli.
Ma'am.
Okay, il est 6h30. Yasvan,
Il est acte il est acte
il est 8h. Il est 8h.
il est 8h.
Do you remember what we're saying after? We will use a or not.
Where?
Yasvan, do you remember? We use a only for et demi, a car. Nowhere else. Only et demi, a car. So for all the other numbers, for the other minutes, we just add, we just say the number, nothing else, directly. Il est 8h.
Il
And a
est
number.
8h20.
20, directly. So a only for a car et demi. Nowhere else. Il est 8h20. Yes, Asvi. Remember here what is happening.
Il est 9.
Remember here, you have to add 1 hour. And then you say minus. Here you add 1 hour. Il est 10h.
Il est 10h.
10h. Moins
Moins
le quart.
le
You
quart.
see, it says here, il est 5h moins le quart. You add 1 hour. And then you're doing the abstraction. So, il est 10h moins le quart.
Il
Okay.
est 10h moins le quart.
Moins le quart, okay. The formal now, the same hour, but in informal ways, which means whether you are talking, for example, with a professor or when you are writing a formal letter, anything which is a formal or you have you see timetable, a schedule, then you will use the formal. Formal, you only need to write the numbers, to say the numbers, nothing else. Il est 15h, for example, the first. Il est 15h. You see the numbers. This is the formal one. Simran. Next.
Il est 6h15.
Il est 16h15.
15.
Kritika.
Il est 5. Il est 5.
No, here we don't add 1 hour because we don't have to do the abstraction. Here we say the numbers only. Formal hour, 16h.
Il est 16 à
16, 15. The numbers only for the formal way. Tell me again, il est 16h15.
Il est 16h15. 15.
R, 15. 15.
Re,
Next, Pagani. The formal hour below.
Il est 8.
Il est 18h. Il est 18h.
Il est 8.
Do you remember the other number? Il est 18h30. We don't put enter. Il est 18h30.
Il est 18h30.
30, 30. Next, Ritu.
Il est 20 et 20.
Il est 20h20. We don't say enter here, nothing. We don't use end, nothing. We directly the number. Il est 20h20.
Il
20.
est 20 et 20.
Directly 20, not e 20, 20. Angeli.
Il est 20 et or 35.
40, 45.
45.
Très bien. Il est 21h, très bien. 21h, you said the correct pronunciation. Il est 21h45. Très bien, Angeli. Now let's continue here. To see here also me diminuing these things. Yes, Asvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Le premier.
Il est 6.
Hmm?
Il est 6 août.
Il est 6 heures. After X, when we have vowel, we pronounce Z because we're doing the liaison. Il est 6 heures. Okay, tell me
Il est
again.
6 heures.
6 heures. Okay, Yasmin.
Il est
Next.
6 heures.
Hmm?
Il est 7h15.
Il est 7h15. Simran.
9:30, right? Il est 9h30.
Okay, you pronounce F after the vowel, never. Il est 9h30.
9h30.
Après, I'm writing down.
Okay.
We say in the informal hour, il est midi, directly. But in formal ways, we will say il est 12 heures. Informal, il est midi. Formal, il est 12 heures. Après, critica.
douze aigres. Il est 12 aigres.
No, 12 heures. We will say 12 heures for the formal way. So here I'm writing midi. So you will use midi, il est midi, and after the number, 20. Il est midi 20.
Il est midi 20.
20 or midi 25 or midi 30, whatever. So we use midi here for the informal way. Next one. Well, it's a Deepti thinks I can't join.
I have a
Yasmin.
I have a question here.
Yes,
So
yes.
in this il est 12h20, like we'll not say 12, we'll say
We will say 12 in the formal way. You see below. You see below
not
the formal way, we will say 12, but in the formal way, when we say the numbers.
Okay.
In formal way, we will say il est midi. The same happens with minuit, we will see here. Il est minuit. Very, very rarely you will hear 24 for the formal hour. Usually we say minuit or midi. Rarely. But technically and correctly, we can say yes, that in formal way we will use midi and minuit. In formal ways, we will use numbers. Although for minuit, it's very rare to hear 24. Uh, okay. Yasvan.
Il est 12h20.
No, il est midi, we said midi 20, the first one, formal. Il est midi 20, we said this. Tell me the next one.
Il est midi. Il est
Remember to add 1 hour. You will add 1 hour. Minus.
un
Très bien.
heure moins 15.
Do you remember? Because last time you remembered. You remembered last time. I think you remember this thing. Huh? You see here table. Moi? Okay, tell me again from the beginning. Il est 1 heure. Il est 1 heure.
Il Maybe if we add one, so it will become one.
Yes, we will add in hour. 1 heure moins le quart.
Il un heure moins le quart.
1 heure moins le quart.
Une heure moins le quart.
Mhm. Next, and Ritu.
Il est 8h10.
Il est 8h10. 8h10. Next, Anjali.
मैम ये 13
5:50.
5:50 il a
Il est.
il est 6 heures.
Très bien.
Très bien.
Il est 6 heures moins 20. Et moins 10. Minus 10. So, tell me again. Il est.
What is, ma'am? -10.
Il est 6 heures moins 10. Très bien. Next, I'm saying il est minuit et demi. So the next one. Pagani.
Ma'am, that 13 minutes, that 24.
13. How we will say it in formal way? Hmm? Il est.
Il est 13.
The 13, we will say it only in the formal way, below. But in informal way, you will say it very simply 1 heure.
Il est une.
Il est 1 heure. Pardon, the informal way, you will say 1 heure. Below, in the formal way, you will say il est 13 heures. You understand the difference between formal and informal? Pagani, can you unmute? Because you're muted.
Il est 11 13.
No, il est 1 heure. 1 heure. Nothing else. Il est 1 heure.
Il est
1 hour. 1 hour. Il est 1 heure.
il est une 4
1 heure. 1 heure. 1 hour. For the informal way. After, below, in the formal way, we will say il est 13 heures, for example. But the informal way will be 1 heure. Ou 2 heures, ou 3 heures, 4 heures, 5 heures. Okay, for the formal way, we say just these things. In the formal way, if it's evening, we will say the numbers only. Next one. Simran.
Il est 18 heures.
Il est 18 heures. Après, Yasvana.
Ma'am, which one?
After 18 heures. After 18 heures. The second
Okay.
one below. The second one below.
Il est 19
Mhm.
19 heures